Hello, this is Chris from the Mobile Internet Resource Center here with some seemingly very exciting news. How many RVers and cruisers would be interested in a truly unlimited data plan, prepaid, no network management rules for just $360 a year? Sounds almost too good to be true. Sounds like an incredible deal, not having any of those headaches to worry about. And well, this is exactly what AT&T is rolling out, targeting the RV market. But there is a catch. You have to buy their very special hotspot to be eligible for this plan. It's like, okay, well, I'd buy a hotspot. Nighthawk's only $200. What hotspot is required to get this incredible $360 plan? You have to buy a 2019 Airstream Classic, starting price $149,900. That pretty much sets a new record for a hotspot. Now, this new plan is coming along with the Airstream Classic and Airstream's debut of their smart control technology. This is a little smart box that is built into the Airstream and allows you to remotely via an app or control panel do things like change the thermostat, turn on and off the lights, extend the awning, turn on your inverter, basically do everything possible to control your RV remotely. And to power this, AT&T has Airstream has an AT&T powered LTE modem built right into the RV, antennas on the roof, and connectivity provided. And well, as a side effect, you can have up to 10 other devices sharing that connection if you've paid for the AT&T plan. And well, hey, Airstream's even throwing in your first year of service for free. Okay, who's actually going to go out and run out and buy a $149,000 Airstream to get this incredible unlimited data plan? Hopefully not too many people consider that the prime reason to buy a new Airstream. There's other good reasons for that perhaps, but we are intrigued by where this might be going. This is Airstream's flagship RV, and they are debuting it here, but perhaps in the future they will offer this as an option or even standard on other devices. And Airstream's parent company, Thor, perhaps will bring this out across a wider range of RVs in the future. So we're excited by the potential for integrated connectivity and affordable, truly unlimited data plans. We'll have to see where this goes. This could also just be a test marketing thing from AT&T, waiting to see just how much data RVers use out on the road. We'll be tracking this closely. Airstream has told us that they're not quite ready to answer our technical questions yet about the details of the modem and the hardware and perhaps any hidden limits in the plan just yet, because the 2019 Airstream Classic is not shipping yet. They've promised us a deeper dive in a few months, so stay tuned. And well, if you're itching for an Airstream, maybe wait for that 2019 model.